Everyone, welcome back to my beauty space. I know what you guys are thinking. Who is this girl? This is not Natasha. She does not wear wigs. What is going on? Hey everyone, welcome back to my beauty space. If you are new to my channel, I know we will address the elephant in the room. This is Natasha. Let's go ahead and talk about the tutorial that I am doing today. I do look a little different. I am wearing Tia today. You can tell by my clip-in extension reviews that I was getting deeper into protective styling, and I did want to try out wigs because I want to be able to change up my look. If you know me and you watched my previous videos, you will see I have pitch black hair all the time. I love my black hair. I don't like any other look. Like, I'm obsessed with the black hair. So trying on a wig that is totally different and outside of the scope of what I would normally wear is new to me, but I'm obsessed. And I mean obsessed. Let me give you a couple reasons why I've always been like iffy about wigs. I've watched a lot of reviews here on YouTube. This is how I learn. And I understand the whole wig cap being glued to your forehead. I get it. But for me, I'm just like, I feel a little claustrophobic and I don't like anything stuck to my head. I put my do-rag on at night and I just can't sleep with anything else on my head, especially with something being glued. I will literally have like a panic attack if I had something glued to my head. Like I can't do it. I just can't do it. So with all the girls doing that, I've seen a lot of girls also have some type of white line that kind of just like, I don't know what to call it. They have like discoloration from like their forehead to where the glue was or like the cap. And that makes me nervous as well because you just don't know what you're doing to your head when you're doing this. And I don't want the long-term effects when I get older because I still want to be fabulous. So I'm not into gluing my wigs at this point. I want to make them as natural as possible without applying any glue. Also, a secret of mine, I'll tell you guys now, and you guys might kill me for this. I still use the Eco Style gel, and I love it so much. If you guys can recommend a different gel for me that does not have all the harsh chemicals in it, leave a comment down below. Help me out. But until then, I really love this gel. And the reason why I like it is because it's the first gel that I don't have any issues with my baby hair curling up. One thing when I take my wig off, I do spray my wig first because I do have my real baby hairs out. I don't want any of my edges to be missing after some years of wearing wigs because this is seriously only supposed to be a protective style. You want to make sure that you're taking care of your real hair underneath this wig. So what I do is before I take the wig off, I spray my dry shampoo in this area where my baby hairs are, and the wig literally flies right off. It comes off perfect, and I'm not losing any of my edges. Nothing's being ripped out, and also it's cleaning my hair because I usually don't wash my hair for a good 3 weeks, sometimes a month, because I don't put that much product in my hair. Let's talk about this wig. Now, her name is Tia, and she does come from the Fashion Source wig collection. This is what the wig looks like in another color. Now, I could have got this color, but I feel like I wanted to step out of my comfort zone and try something new. This color is the G Tom / Amber. But I think this wig only comes in 2 shades. So this brown and the blonde that I have. And let me also mention, like I said, this is my first wig I've ever worked on. Bear with me, we're learning together. I wanted you guys to see a trial and error just in case I messed up of how to do wigs. So that is why I went ahead and just filmed everything on camera so you guys can get my natural reaction to putting the wig on, cutting the lace. I'm not gonna lie, I struggled at that point. But you know what, we made it. And I kind of just show you how I blend this wig into my real hair. The reason why I have shedding right now is because you guys will see when I cut the lace, I did cut some of the hair out of the front. So I am going to have a little bit of shedding, which is fine. The hair on this wig is super thick. You could just run your hands through it and it does not get tangled. And I'll go ahead and turn around for you so you can see the back. All in all, I must say, I really like this wig. I cannot wait until I can like slay every single wig and just have it look so natural. I'm always afraid that somebody's gonna come up and be like, that's a wig, you're wearing a wig. Or just be standing behind me in line and be like, you're wearing a wig. Because with my clip-in extensions, you cannot tell I'm wearing clip-in extensions. I blend those out very well. So if you guys want to see how I slay this wig, please keep watching. Let's get started. So right now I just have my hair covered. I did do 2 braids for now. I wanted to do something super dramatic, so I have to switch my look up. I love my black hair, and I don't know what I would do without just like pitch black hair. So now having this wig, this is going to take my look to like a different level. And hopefully I know what I'm doing. This is a front lace wig. It has lace right here. I have not cut it yet. I will cut it when it's on my head. Now this wig was about $50, and I started out with a short wig because I didn't know like where to begin. Like I'm so new to this whole wig game. And this wig does have a side part. This is what she looks like. Now she does have a clip in the front and she has a clip in the back. Of course, you have a strap that you can adjust right here. Of course, I adjust the strap because my head's smaller than the wig. Now I do have my wig cap as well. I did get it in the shade beige. I'm so nervous. Like I don't even know like what I'm doing. I've watched so many videos, so I feel confident, but this whole wig game is totally different. Like I said, I'm just so nervous. It's gonna be weird seeing me with a wig. I'm just taking my argan oil. This is the Strength and Shine leave-in conditioner. I am gonna shake this up, make sure everything stays moisturized. Next, I'm gonna take my wig cap, and you can get any wig cap from any hair store. This is just the one that I have. And they're all one size fits all. Oh, I got 2 wig caps in here. Woohoo! We're gonna put this on. I don't know if you put it on backwards. Next, I'm going to take my wig. Tia, oh my goodness, welcome to the family. How do you guys normally put on your wigs? Let me know. Do you guys do it this way? Or do you guys do it, like bring it forward? Or, yeah, let's see. Okay, I think I should have brought it forward. I'm making sure that the clips lay down, and I do have a side part. I've never worn a wig, ever. Oh my goodness, this is so crazy. Let me make sure that the hair that I wanted to keep out stays right there. And then once again, just grabbing that hair. Okay, so you guys can see the lace right here. So I'm gonna take the wig off and I'm gonna cut it. I was gonna cut it on my head, but I think I'm just gonna take it off and cut it like right here. I'm just gonna show you guys how I cut the wig. Now, one other thing about this, I do need to grab some bronzer, and you're always gonna grab a brush that you don't care about. Now, I don't want my wig cap to show, and I don't mind getting a little bit of makeup in my hair. When I do my foundation, I usually have makeup in my hair. So I'm just gonna tap off any extra, and I'm just applying this makeup to my wig cap, just in case it happens to show. And I'm just gonna grab my flat iron. Remember these hairs, I'm going to flat iron. So I am just taking my scissors and we're gonna finish cutting the lace off this wig. Like I said, all the girls who do this, you guys are amazing. And I'm still leaving just a little bit of the lace. I'm not cutting too, I'm still leaving like this part of the lace there because I will be able to blend this lace into my real hair. So I am cutting around the base, but there's still room for me to lay this wig. So I don't want to cut a perfect hairline, something I really don't have. And I'm not caring if I cut too much of some of the hair because I can always turn those into baby hair to mix in with my real baby hair. Woo, we got the lace off. So I'm just gonna cut probably, there's like a little piece of lace right here. I'm gonna go ahead and cut that off. And then I'm gonna do the same to the other side. I cannot wait till I become a pro at these. Fantastic! Tia is looking good. So once again, we are putting on Tia. Let's get rid of some of that hair. Just pulling out my natural hair. So the wig looks great. I could just leave it like this, but of course you guys will say this is not slayed. So let's do the right thing and do some baby hair. So I'm just bringing the wig back. So right now I just grabbed my toothbrush, taking some gel. So you see where I have the side part and I have baby hair coming out of there. One other thing that I need to do to make this blend, I'm just taking some more makeup and a brush, of course, that you don't care about, that you will use in your wigs. And I'm gonna apply this powder to my part. We are doing my baby hair on the other side. And of course, I will pat away the makeup that I have on my forehead. And I have my towel here to get rid of that makeup. So this is what my baby hairs look like right now. I'm gonna take my clips out. I'm like, I'm not used to this. So I can put that piece behind my ear and I can just, hold on. This hair is like stringy. I'll tell you a quick story. In high school, I never it was even beyond high school. I never wanted my hair to move. Like if my hair moved like this, I'm like, no. I always put so much hairspray in my hair because I'm like, I want my hair to be straight. I don't want nobody to be able to touch it. I don't want it to move. I don't know, since I got older, I don't mind flipping my hair. Tia, only 50 bucks? You are looking good, girl. Okay, I'll go ahead and turn around. Leave a comment down below if you like her straight. I think my next video is going to be having some cute little curls. I'm just gonna go ahead and make sure that this wig lays down. Just taking my flat iron. I'm not gonna flat iron it too much because I want you guys to know that if you take it out the box, you can wear it right away. I like the dark undertones that are right here as well. This is the foam mousse by Cream of Nature. Oh, one pump in my hand. I kind of want this hair to get out of my face. So I'm just applying some of that mousse there. Whatever I have extra, just putting it in the wig. This is the completed look using the wig Tia. $50 right out the box. I must give this a thumbs up for my first wig. Let me know in the comments down below if you think I slayed this wig. I hope you guys enjoyed the completed look. I just want to thank you guys for taking time out of your day to watch my tutorials. Please let me know if it was helpful. This is new to me. I have not dealt with wigs at all. I used to style like shorter wigs, but not like wigs have come so far from back in the day that this is just way too new for me. So I want to get more practice, so I will be doing more tutorials of how I style my wigs. Please do not forget to thumbs up this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, join the family. I love to see you guys come back. And as always, I miss you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.